Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but I'm back with a new tutorial with this hollow mermaid design. Most of the polishes I used in this video are from NailStuff.ca, so be sure to check out their website for a ton of awesome nail art supplies and customized nail art tools. Anyways, let's go ahead and get on into the tutorial. So first I'm going to prep all my nails with UNT's Ready for Takeoff Base Coat from NailStuff.ca. For the gradient, I'm going to use three polishes from NailStuff.ca. The first is STARRILY Magic Rainbow, the second is SUPERCHIC LACQUER Spill It, and the third is STARRILY Skyline. I'm going to start by applying 2 coats of STARRILY Magic Rainbow as my base for the gradient. Next, I'm going to use this clear stamper from NailStuff.ca. It's got a cover and it's clear on both ends so you can see exactly where you're placing your image. And I'm also going to be using the scraper that comes with the stamper. Next, I'm going to use Edge Perfection Easy Peel Polish Barrier all around my nails because I am going to be doing a gradient which can get quite messy. Then I'm going to apply the 3 colors onto a makeup sponge, and I'm going to overlap them a little bit so that they blend nicely. Then I'm going to sponge this onto my nail and repeat this a couple times. Once I'm happy with the gradient, I'm going to remove the Edge Perfection with a pair of tweezers and apply a fast drying top coat to smooth out the gradient. For the mermaid design, I'm going to be using this stamping plate XL002 from Beauty Big Bangs and Salon Perfect's Oil Slick. I'm going to use Edge Perfection Easy Peel Polish Barrier around my nail again. I'm going to apply Oil Slick to the design, scrape it, and pick it up with my clear stamper. As you can see, it picked up really nicely, and then I'm going to place it directly onto my nail. Once again, I'm going to remove the Edge Perfection from around my nail and apply a fast drying top coat to seal the entire design in. And here's the finished design. So that's all for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and be sure to check out NailStuff.ca for some really cool custom engraved nail art tools, as well as a wide variety of nail polishes. Anyways, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you recreate this design, be sure to tag me on Instagram at caramellogram so I can see. Bye!